What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks, kung saan tutulungan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel guys, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and let's make some cocktails guys. So for today, I'll be showing you how to make one of our signature, or like one of these twists on a classic mojito, watermelon mojito guys. So let's start with our shaker. For the first ingredient guys is, let's put some watermelon slice. How many slices? Depends on you guys. If you want more flavor of watermelon, you can add more. But if you want less, you can add less. And lime. Naiwa. Squeeze to the shaker. And then let's muddle the watermelon. So you want to muddle the watermelon guys, so you can get this juice of the watermelon. It's a very easy cocktail to make guys, and napaka-refreshing. Like any time of the day you can drink this cocktail. Mint leaves.
Thick chocolate ganache. How many ml? How many gram?
ไอ้น้ำแข็งแก้วใช่ไหมแล้วก็เต็มไม่ต้องนับประมาณนี้ Mint leaves around like 6 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And lastly, let's add our alcohol. So we'll be using here is white rum, but for any white rum guys, pwede nyo gamitin yan. 45 to 60 ml. Then let's add some ice to our shaker. ขอน้ำแข็งหน่อยครับ ขอบคุณมากครับ And let's shake our cocktail guys for around 8 to 12 seconds. Strain directly to the glass. Then for garnish, let's garnish it with lemon peel. Let's cut it. And let's put into our glass guys. There you go guys, watermelon mojito, and let's have a taste. So yun guys, if you're new to this channel guys, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Paki-share na rin po para for growing the channel, and it will be much appreciated. See you guys next time. God bless. Cheers.